Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is engiken. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is engiken. In English, this word engiken means has drawn near or is at hand. It's actually the perfect tense of engidzo. It expresses urgency and nearness, something pressing into our lives right now. God's reign, it's not distant or abstract, but already breaking into human history. And we hear this word in Matthew chapter 3, verse 2. When John the Baptist proclaims, Kailegon, metanoite, engiken, gar he basileia ton uranon. Repent, for the kingdom of heaven has drawn near. So the kingdom has come. Again in Matthew chapter 4, verse 17, Jesus himself begins his ministry with the same words. Repent, for the kingdom of heaven has drawn near. To draw near, to be at hand. And the message is clear. The time for God's action is now. Nandyan na. Dumating na. For us Christians, this word carries deep meaning in our life of faith. It causes us to respond with conviction and action. If the kingdom has already drawn near, then our lives must reflect its presence. Pag nandyan na yung kaharian ng Diyos, dapat nagbabago na tayo. Dapat nagbago na tayo. Through conversion, justice, mercy, and love. And this is the challenge. How do we live this word today in our discipleship? Do we continue delaying change? Or do we let God's kingdom press at our door and transform us now? Ayan na, magbago na tayo. Nandyan na ang kaharian ng Diyos. Friends, the kingdom is not far away. It is already knocking. Will you let it in? And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.